welcome to the 2022 Automation Fair event in Chicago. I'm Teresa Haug, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. This is the best show to find the top companies in industrial automation, and one of those companies is AMCI. I'm talking with Matt. So Matt, tell me what your company does.
So AMCI manufactures specialty I/O modules for Allen Bradley PLCs, typically going to be position feedback devices or motion control modules. And then we also offer completely fully integrated motors, servo stepper motors, integrated drives, integrated controls using Ethernet IP.
That's quite an array. And you are a technology partner with Rockwell Automation. How does that benefit your customers?
So that's the whole reason for the technology partner program, as far as I'm concerned, is how do we work with that program to provide solutions to our customers that benefits them and makes it easier for our products to work within the PLC platform. So everything we design is focused around the PLC structure in mind. So when we create a plug-in module, how is that going to work into that PLC? When we create one of our Ethernet IP devices, how is that going to look in the PLC program? Make it look like a Rockwell product, but also make it easy to program. So they're not flipping through a manual, so they're not having to use a second piece of software to get things going. Just plug it in and go.
That's huge. And I know you've been very popular and very busy here at the show.
Very much so.
Yeah. What are you showing off? What are people excited about?
So really what's drawing everyone's attention are our motion products, so our integrated steppers and integrated servos. You know, everyone's looking to figure out ways to overcome some of the challenges that we're having with labor, and automation is a key part of that. And so anything that we can offer a solution for to help that automation and help those people solve those problems, that's what they're here to find, and that's what they find here at AMCI.
That's a huge deal. And there's a lot more to learn about how AMCI can help you. So go to the URL at the bottom of your screen and see how they can help you. I'm Teresa Haug at the 2022 Automation Fair. We'll talk again.